It's a great pleasure to have received this scholarship. And when I received the results, it made me feel that I'm on the top of the world, which is exactly what I felt. And the next thing is I felt that all my hard work and determination has been recognized. So it was a great pleasure, and because I was able to help my parents because they are financing my education here. So it's a gift for them as well. So it was a moment that I felt proud of myself, making them proud. So yeah, it was. I found the process to be very easy because the one thing I really liked was the option to be go back to the form. So it gave me time to work on the answers uh, pretty well and then fill them out later and then submit. So it was a pretty awesome experience. So I belong to psychology and I'm studying work in organizational psychology, which is in itself an interdisciplinary field where we combine psychology with management. So with all the different societies and different research projects that we have to work on during the masters, it allows us to explore different areas. Like, for example, I am constantly studying about management as well as psychology. How I'm able to apply the concepts of psychology in managing an organization. So, in that way, it's pretty interdisciplinary, and it does not constrict us to think in a particular way. It keeps our thinking open. And, like, for example, for our research project as well, one of our professors suggested that you can study the patterns of psychology in dance forms, which was amazing. I couldn't have think like that. So the university allows a lot of space to think beyond. So in that way, it's pretty interdisciplinary. Exploring my own identity. I don't feel bounded by anything. I don't feel being judged. I can wear anything. I can be like any person. I can be myself, and no one would even question it. People would be always be appreciative, and people are super sweet. That they would always look out for you. If you're standing randomly, they would come to you and ask if you're all right. The best part about Nottingham is the balance between nature and development. So you would find amazing organizations to work in as well as be connected to the nature. And the the transportation is amazing. That the whole city is connected with every part of it is connected. So yeah. The university has been very active in supporting in the sense they have different programs where they organize different meet and greets where you can come and meet people and you feel that you're not alone in this process and you understand whatever you are experiencing, other people are too. So the university actively engaging in providing people space to interact with each other and their focus on well-being because like for example for me, I'm from India and India receives a lot of sunlight but England does not. And so that idea of seasonal depression really worried me because I am used to the sun. I'm not used to 10 hours of sunlight only. So that way is when I looked at the psychological well-being section, and so I was really amazed to see how I can seek support, and there's so many resources for me to have. So yeah, in that sense.